I welcome all the sharp and bright students of Chennai. I know you people are waiting for this webinar to go on. So in next few minutes, we will discuss about your future, how you can get success in your life, what are the career options available with you. For that, I request you one thing. I think you all have your camera is currently off. If you can on your camera and if you can mute yourself, that will be fine. Because this corona is a challenge. This corona is a challenge for not only for you, but for the whole world. And how to deal with it, and how we can fight with this challenge. That is the main thing. So I was taking seminars earlier. I came to Chennai also, and I was taking seminars in different cities of India and outside India also. So what I found is that in student life, currently we are not focused towards our goal. What happened is when we are in class first, second, third, or fourth, uh, we are like a child. Okay, we don't have any responsibilities on our shoulder. But when you go into class ninth and 10th, you have certain parameters of through which your parents will judge you. If you get good marks in your 10th class, then you will get science subject. If you get bad marks in your 10th class, then you will get arts or commerce like subject. But what are the career options? You are a kid, you are currently in class ninth or 10th. Then what are the career options available with you? This is the biggest questions with you guys. So as I'm into career counseling, I had counseled hundreds and thousands of students who are now into IITs and who are now into AIMS, and some of them got very good jobs in companies like Google and Facebook. I think you might have searched something on Google. So the founders of Google, the CEO of Google, Mr. Sundar Pichai, he is also a South Indian guy, and you are shocked to know that he don't have that much amount of money. He is not a rich person, but what he has is he has the willpower. He want to do something in his life. So the same options available with you. It is not money which decides your success. It is you and your willpower which decides your success for your future. So currently with Southern Kota, we started Southern Kota in Chennai with a vision that we provide affordable education, affordable quality education. If I say affordable education, that means quality affordable education. So we had started this institution, the complete study material, the faculties, everybody is from Kota. Now, what is Kota? So Kota is like the, if I can say, Kota is education capital of India. And we trained, young doctors and engineers for better future. So now you all guys are, now confused that after this lockdown ends, what you will do in your future. Like you will go to school, and after school, if you'll go to any coaching institute, is there a guarantee that that coaching institute will provide you all the parameters of social distancing? How you get to know that another student sitting behind you or sitting just near to is not infected from coronavirus? So this is the time, I believe, for parents and students to stay home, study safe, and stay at home and study at home. You have to stay at home, you have to study at home, and you have to get quality education. Now for that, you have almost 24 hours in your day. Okay, in 24 hours, what is your roles and responsibilities? That if you play some games, if you watch more television, if you surf internet, if you make your account on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, will it going to be help you in your future? I mean, absolutely no. What will help you, if you have that mobile phone, try to get your tutor, try to get your future success in this mobile phone, then only you'll get success. So with Southern Kota, we had, after days and years of hard work, we had invented an application which will empower you with the best quality education of India and with very affordable prices. So dear student, currently if you want to get success in your life, try to understand one thing. You have to study, study and study hard. That is the only option you have. Now, second thing, with study, what you need a tutor, you need an institute which will be there for you 24 by 7. Let's say if you get a problem at 12 o'clock in morning, then you need the solution within 12 hours of the problem you get. Okay. And then third is the quality of teachers who are providing you online coaching, because currently you have Byju's available with you, an academy available with you, Ellen and Akash, and there are a lot more players available with you. Then how the Southern Quota is different from other players? So let me tell you that if I want to write something on a paper, I need a single pen. Okay. If I want to write something, okay, at a time, and I'll carry a pen, a mobile phone, then another mobile phone in my hand, and I'll try to write something, I'm not able to write even. Okay. Similarly, for your better studies, if you watch YouTube also, if you watch Akash also, if you watch Byju's also, then for sure, you will not going to learn anything. And it is a misguided form of education. So what is the best form of education which will help you to get success in your life, and through which you will get good marks in your school examination as well as your competitive examinations like JEE or NEET? So that is this Southern Quota application, which will provide you video lectures, the quality video lectures by senior most faculties, okay, who had taught lot more, thousands of IITians and NITians, because the experience matters. In Byju's, you get animated lectures, but do Byju's have any background? Do Byju's taught any doctors or any engineers or an academy? No, they are like just a TV channel. Let's say, I'll give you an example. If you want to learn how to run a cycle or how to run in a marathon race, and you are a 2-year-old kid, so can you able to learn running a cycle or running a marathon on a television? Let's say Byju's will give you a lecture. This is how you'll take the handle in your hand, and this is how you have to, start pedaling the cycle. Will you be able to learn cycling, or will you be able to learn running in a marathon just by watching it on television? No, absolutely no. And you will learn this by practically practicing, cycling in your home, in your ground. Similarly, what I'm trying to tell you is the application which are more into animation, which are more into cartoon effect, which are more, on YouTube and on other platform, will not going to get selected in IIT JEE or NEET. Okay. And as far as the board exams is concerned, because ICSE, CBSE and state boards, these boards are now following the curriculum of CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, is providing the help to other state board also to run same curriculum across the state and across India. And that curriculum is the base by NCERT. NCERT books are now followed by every school, every state board, and every state and central level examination. Let's say you want a government job, okay, in Tamil Nadu government. What is the procedure, sir? I want a government job, like my father or like my relative. What is the procedure? So I'll tell you, after passing class 12, you will going to get a degree in engineering or in medical background, or let's say in commerce background. After that, you have to fight a state government level examination. That examination will contain, if you want to be a government engineer, if you want to be a government doctor, so you have to give a government exam, and that exam will contain the syllabus from class 10th, 11th and 12th. So if you study from an organized player like Southern Quota, which will give you first video lectures, second they will give you DPPs, daily practice problem sheet, then third they will give you hard copy study material. Now this is the important point. Please note down this point, friends. If you study on any other platform, they will just give you all the content online available with your mobile phone or with your laptop. Will they going to give you hard copy booklets? Now you'll ask me, sir, why this hard copy booklets is important for us? Why hard copy study material is important for us? This is important for you, for your eyes also. There is a study which revealed that students who are devoting more than 6 hours to mobile phones or to laptops, and after that, after watching the lectures, if they do some reading kind of thing on internet or on mobile, their cornea development will be slow. Their eyesight will get some problems. So that is the important thing. This Southern Quota is providing you hard copy study material also. Now, after after seeing the video lectures on mobile app, to practice the questions, to practice the homework, you will get hard copy booklets. That will be the turning point in your preparation. This hard copy study material, which is completely prepared by quota-based faculties, the expert who had taught thousands of IITians, thousands of doctors, they will give you the study material on your home only. So after watching a lecture, let's say you are watching this lecture on this Zoom meeting, and after that you will get a hard copy booklet. You will get that from our office, and then you will study from that hard copy booklet. There is theory will be given on that, the exercise given on that, the test papers given on that, and the most important thing is previous year questions are also given in that study material booklet. So it decreases your screen time. After watching this, after watching the video lecture, let's say for 1 hour, 2 hour or 3 hour, you will dedicate almost 5 or 6 hours of your time on that hard copy study material, which already gave success to thousands of IITians and thousands of doctors. So this feature you will not get with any of the application you are currently reading with. You are not getting with any of the YouTube channel which you are currently following, and they are not experienced actually to give you this kind of training. So students, I think we will give you the best solution to be a doctor, to be an engineer, and with very low cost. Okay, the main factor is costing also, and the quality also. What happens is, currently you have almost 1,000 people or 1 lakh people who are providing you online coachings and online tuition, but they are not synchronized. What is the benefit with Southern Quota is that our video lectures are recorded by senior faculties. Those video lectures are connected with our study material. Our study material you will get in hard copy form. It will decrease your screen time, and you will get a classroom feeling at your home also. Now, if you are studying at home, it will save your time also. If you are going to a coaching institute with your bicycle or by your parents, then also there is a time waste, I think. So we are trying to provide you a complete system through which you will study at home and quality education with you. Now, fourth thing is, after seeing the video lecture, after studying the notes, after doing all the homework, you will have a testing platform. We will give you online test through which your confidence will increase. Sometimes you have observed, whenever you have examinations, you got loose motions, okay, and you got some tensions, you don't want to give the exam because you have tension. What is tension is, okay, so I'll tell you, if you have a big task and short time, that is tension. Okay, that is tension. So if you study regularly, then you need not to tension. And I think every student has brain. God has given you eyes, ears, nose, teeth, hairs. Everybody has same, everybody has same brain. But how you polish your brain, how you train your brain to be smart, that is the main thing. Now, because one thing I want to request to all the students, that please follow your parents' instructions blindly. What currently I as a counselor also, because parents from Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata, they used to call me and they used to take counseling from me, that dear sir, our son is not listening to us, he's not following us, and he's kind of very naughty, he's more into other things like Facebook, WhatsApp, he has more friends, and my son is more inspired by his friends. So dear friends, dear students, I request you that your parents are like God on this earth. Follow your parents, because they are the only source which will guide you for a better future. And this is what I'm telling you after guiding more than 2 lakh students across India. Okay, sometimes in class 9, 10th, 11th, students think that we are more smarter than our parents. Papa, you don't know anything. Okay, we are more smarter than you. So you are absolutely wrong. Might be you have good technical knowledge, but the life experience of your parents are far better than you. Whatever, if they scold you, sometimes if they slap you also, try to take it as a blessing, try to take it as a learning. Okay, don't show anger on your parent, because I feel if you show anger on your parents, it ultimately not good for you people. So with this Southern Quota application, I think will provide you the best quality education at your home. First thing. Second thing, you need not to go outside of your home. Third thing, the teachers are so down to earth that you will understand each and everything. We start the lecture from zero and we take the level from 0 to 10, step by step, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the quality of our learning, the quality of our study material is quite higher than other institute, and everything is synchronized with your learning behavior. So dear students, whatever we are providing you is for your better future. Now, if you are confused that, sir, we have this coaching institute or we have that coaching institute, I think you have to judge them with their past record. Do they have any background of online teaching like we have? Like I'm taking this webinar. Why I'm taking this webinar with so perfection? Because after this lockdown, you won't believe, in last 2 months, I had addressed more than 10,000 students on parents and students on this webinar only. Okay, so I know how to how to handle the problem of students. And earlier I used to take live seminars. I don't know whether you had attended my some of you had attended my seminar in Chennai or not, because I came to Chennai also. I got this opportunity. Chennai is really a nice city, and the students, the quality of students, the quality of intellectual level of Chennai people is quite higher than other students and other parents in different cities. Because I think South Indians, Tamilians, are the most intellectual people in India. Not only in India, after this lockdown, highest number of migrants, highest number of NRIs are from Tamil Nadu and are from Chennai only. Many of the software engineers, the doctors, the nurses who are fighting with this coronavirus across the world are from Chennai and Tamil Nadu like state, or from South India. It is because you people are very focused. You have good mental level. What you need is a good guidance at right time. And if you get this, then I think for sure that you will achieve all your goals, you will achieve all your dreams. And the most important thing, students, I want to tell you is that in this tough time of corona, the main thing is that how you utilize your time. How you utilize your time means that if you are devoting your time in playing games in Facebook, in WhatsApp, in Instagram, then you're not going to get any benefit of it. Okay. And there are students, I used to have discussions with a lot of students and parents. So many of the students and parents used to say me, "Sir, this is holiday time is going on. This lockdown is not for studies. Okay. We have this holiday. We want to enjoy this time." But believe me, students, I want to tell you one thing, that after this lockdown, earlier I used to work, 5 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours a day. But after this lockdown, I'm working 15 hours, 16 hours a day. This lockdown is an opportunity to explore your strength, to be a better version of yourself. Okay. So I request all of you to be sincere and to get your goals. Start studying from now. I request all the parents also. Now the biological sleeping cycle of a lot of students had already disturbed. Student used to sleep at 12 or 2 in midnight. They used to wake up in morning at 10 or 12. So ultimately it disturbed their mental health. And some of you had observed that students are also now angry. They are more frustrated. If parents used to say them something, they will not respond them properly. And most of the students are now getting distraction from this mobile phone also. So I request you, after downloading this mobile app, we will give you a screen time, that you have to give your mobile phone to your student for 2 hours or 3 hours, not more than that. Third thing I want to tell all the parents, that don't allow your child to sit and lock in a room and study. Always tell them to open the door and whatever they want to study, let them study, but don't close your doors. Let him study in open doors. Okay. It will help them to have a pressure that anytime my parents will come and they will observe that I am doing I'm playing games, or if I'm doing something other than studies, then my parents will going to scold me. So we will give you a timetable if you join us in this mobile education, and you'll get a year-long subscription for it. And you all your problems, like I'll personally come and give you motivational webinars also, that will give you a strategy, to get selected into IIT JEE and NEET. In IIT JEE, you have 3 hours of time and you have 75 questions. IIT JEE exams, IIT JEE exam is the toughest exam of India, given by almost 12 lakh students across India, 10 to 12 lakh students, and you have only 20,000 seats. So these 20,000 seats filled by those students who prepare for IIT JEE for almost 2 years. Similarly, the NEET exams contain 180 questions and 3 hours of time. Yani, that means 1 minute time for one question. So you get selected in NEET if you have got practice. If you can solve highest question in 180 out of 170, 150 or 160 questions, then only you get selected in NEET examination. In NEET, 14 lakh students give this NEET exam, and out of 14 lakh friends, only 60,000 students will get a doctor degree, will get a MBBS degree. Okay. So like this, I mean, this is the toughest examination of India, and the fruits of these examinations, cracking these examinations, is like for lifetime. If you will be a doctor and if you will be a heart surgeon, one heart surgery in India will cost near about 3 lakh rupees. If you will be a heart surgeon, for example, and if you do 5 heart surgery daily in your hospital, then you will earn 30 lakh rupees daily. 30 lakh rupees daily and 3.6 CR per month. So it is something which will make all your dreams come true. And all this money will come just by devoting your 2 years for preparation of NEET and JEE exams. As far as my experience is concerned, JEE and NEET exams are very easy examinations. Just you need to prepare it uh, timely, then you'll get success in these examinations. So if you have any questions, if you want to, any of the questions, like if your son is not listening to you, if you have any problem in concentration, any of your problem, you can discuss with us. I mean, we are there to answer all your questions. That whatever whatever your questions, if you are feeling any problem in studying now, the future of education, the changes and challenges after this lockdown in your education. So I'll tell you, the biggest change in your education is that now you are not more dependent on a coaching tuition classes. Now you are not more dependent on a tuition center. You have a good application with you through which your tuition teacher is 24/7 available with you on your phone. Okay. And then you'll get a hard copy study material like you'll get in your school. So you'll get that with Southern Quota. We have a complete feedback system. Like if you don't like any lecture, you can give us the feedbacks that this is the problem I am facing, and we'll correct it within a given time. So that is with us students. And I just want to tell you that you people are very energetic. You have an infinite amount of energy with you. Don't get distracted with technology available with you. I want to request parents that have a check with your student mobile phone. Try to check their browsing history also. Be a chowkidar, like Narendra Modi said, that I am a chowkidar, I am a watchman for this nation. Okay. Similarly, parents are the watchmen for their student future. So I request you to track them continuously and give them moral education also. Try to engage them in educational activities only, not into fun activities like television and mobile phones. So if you have any of the questions related to career, related to future, if you want to ask, you can ask. Just raise your hand. Related to our mobile application also, if you want to ask anything, just raise your hand. Just raise your hand or give a reaction. Will unmute you.
I have unmuted. I have unmuted Galaxy A20. You can ask your question.
Okay. You can open your cameras also. Okay. I'm sitting in Kota. You are sitting in Chennai. But this is the benefit of technology. We are now interacting with each other so comfortably. So this corona, I used to say to parents and students that this corona brings opportunity for those who are willing to get the opportunity. Okay. So you can open your cameras. Let's have a good discussion. Because you are not terrorist, I'm not a terrorist. We can have a clear discussion. Yeah, a lot of people are coming. Anurag is there, Mathili ma'am is there, Dedimi is there, Mehala is there, and you can sit with your parents also. Okay. I'm not going to scold you, or I'm not going to give a smart trick to your parents, how to get how to get your child in your control. Don't worry. But as far as student is concerned, I'm on your behalf. Okay. I'm your friend, not your parents' friend. So you can open your cameras. We'll have a friendly discussion, friends. Anybody want to ask anything? Okay. Anurag want to ask. He's just below Bhaskar sir. Can you, Venkat sir, can you unmute Anurag?
Yeah, I unmuted him. You can go on with the questions.
Anurag. No, wait, Anurag.
No,
He's
Venkat,
just
I
below
think
Bhaskar sir.
Venkat, Anurag still says unmuted only. So I think his mic.
And please speak in English, because I don't know,
Tamil.
other languages than English and Hindi.
I have allowed all the participants to unmute themselves.
Sir, can I able to hear me, sir?
Yes, Anurag. Yes, ask Anurag.
Sir, what is the success rate of IIT JEE of Southern Quota of previous year, sir?
Previous year, I'll tell you that Southern Quota is an institute, by ex-HODs of some senior institutes, by senior faculties in Quota. So we had taught more than 20,000 IITians and NEET aspirants in Quota in past 20 years. So every year, almost 2,000, 3,000 students got selected in these examinations from our institute. And our faculties are one of the senior most faculties, one of the pioneer faculties, who had taught many, many successful IITians and doctors.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other question? Very good, Anurag. You had asked a wonderful questions. And the one who take first lead in any race, he will be a winner. So Anurag is the one who had started this question answer round with us. Thank you, Anurag. Thanks a lot. You are a bright student. Anyone have your doubt cleared on it? Yes, we will clear all your doubt on IIT and NEET. We will provide you specific study material, and I request you to go with that study material only, not with the study material available on internet, on other books. So have a guided, have a goal-oriented preparation. So with us, you will get a goal-oriented preparation. Anybody want to ask anything? Just raise your hand, or you can give a reaction like you have got a signed reaction. You can give a thumbs up if you like this, if you want to ask anything.
Yes, Kavya, you.
Okay, we have Venkat sir just below Anurag. We have Moto G 5G Plus. So can you unmute him? He raised his thumb.
He can.
Yes,
hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. What is your name?
Sir, I am Vijay Anthony, sir.
Okay, Vijay. Nice. Yeah. Ask your question.
Sir, past years, many students are failed in NEET, sir.
Yes.
All can pass in NEET, or we want some capacity.
See, I already told in my session, those who are a doctor, they don't have horns on their head. They don't have a tail like Hanuman, okay, at their back. So the NEET is very easy for those who prepare for it. Let's say if you start preparing for NEET after class 12, for sure you're not going to select it, because you are absolutely true. Out of 14 lakh students, only 60,000 students will get selected in NEET examination. So if you want to be among those 60,000, you have to start preparing for NEET right from class 11th and 12th. Then only you will get selected in that. Otherwise, it is very tough. You're not going to be selected in NEET or IIT JEE if you don't prepare. So start preparing, start utilizing every single hour, every single minute from now. Then only you will get selected in IIT JEE or NEET.
Yes, sir. I started at my 10th standard, sir.
Okay. From where you had already started your preparation for NEET?
Yes, sir. I already bought books from my library and started reading for NEET, sir.
Okay. So you had enrolled with any good institute like Southern Quota for your preparation?
No, sir.
Okay. So I'll tell you.
Register any type of institute.
Okay, so we are starting our live demo classes on 15th of this month. So you can enroll for free. You can take a trial, okay, with us, and
okay,
then
sir.
you will decide. So will you join us? Will you join us for
okay, sir.
program?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will. Absolutely.
I want a thumbs up from you, like this. Yeah, good. Okay, very nice, Vijay. And you had this yellow T-shirt, yellow dirty fellow. Okay. So I want you to be a successful fellow with Southern Kota. Yes. Any other questions? Anyone want to ask anything? Just any of the question related to your life. If any parent want to ask, because you people are really, I can say, blessed, because for per student counseling session I used to charge 5,000 rupees per hour. So it is because of Southern Kota, it is because of Bhaskar sir for getting my free session with you. So you can ask any of your doubts. You can just give a reaction, thumbs up, and you can ask.
I think it looks like Bharat Vasan raised his hand. So,
Yeah.
Venkat, can you unmute? him?
Rishi, just behind me. Rishi, you are unmute. You can open your camera. You can ask the question.
Yeah, everyone can open their camera. Everyone is unmuted right now. You can unmute yourself. Please
You
come
can.
up with the questions.
I know you. I know you all are celebrity. Okay. So I want to see all the celebrities sitting with me. Okay.
Bharat Vasan is coming up with the question. Bharat Vasan.
Sir, you can
Okay.
help us
Yeah.
on JOSA counseling.
Sir, I'm on a call. 2 minutes. Okay. Hello. Yeah.
Yes, Bharat Vasan.
If you can help us on JOSA counseling.
Josa. Okay. You are in class 12 currently. Okay.
No, sir, not
So
completed.
you had given your JEE examination.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was your percentile in first JEE mains?
I am now only going to write it, sir.
Okay. First attempt you had not given.
No, sir.
Okay. So for sure, you can register yourself with Southern Kota, and we will help you in JOSA counseling. What was your percentage in class 10?
75, sir.
75. Okay. So dear student, this is the, like Bharat, he is a sincere student. I think you can see him on your screen. And he had not given the attempt first for JEE Main. So this is lack of awareness. And I'm very much sure if Bharat was there with us, with Southern Kota for 2 years, then for sure he had given the first examination also, and with more than 90 percentile. So, Bharat, do you feel that starting preparation after just class 12 will be very helpful for student to get selected into IIT JEE or NEET like examination?
No, sir.
Huh?
No.
Why?
There is more need in practice, sir.
So you need practice. So you'll get practice by a good institute only, or you get practice by your own self.
By a good institute.
Yeah, so that's what I want to tell you. So Bharat for sure will help you in JOSA counseling, and you get associated with our institute. Will guide you after your JEE Mains examinations how to get colleges and all. Okay, but see with Bharat, other student, you will get a learning that if you start early and if you start preparing with a good institute, then for sure you will get good results. So next question, anybody want to ask? Any parent want to ask any question, or any student want to ask? You can just give a thumbs up to us. And if you want to ask in Tamil also, you can ask. Bhaskar sir or Venkat sir will, convert your question into English. Or Hindi if you are comfortable with. Rishi want to ask. Yes, Rishi, ask. Tell me. Send me study material for class 11th. Okay. So you'll get the class 11th study material from our center only. It is in Velachery. Bhaskar sir or Venkat sir, you can contact them. Okay. The contact number is there given in the, the advertisement for this webinar. You can ask them and they will give you the study material. And for sure, we will help you in JOSA counseling also. Anybody of you who is shy in this session, to ask any question, and if you want any psychological counseling also, counseling related to your career also, counseling related to your stress also, you can contact me. You can take appointment from Venkat sir. I'll give you a personal counseling also. And because I had counseled thousands of students, so I know that every problem has a solution, and that solution will be within you only.
நாமா
Yes.
பாக்குறமா இவர் சொல்றாரு.
Anybody want to ask anything?
தமிழ்ல கொஸ்டின் கேட்கறதுனால கேளுங்க, we can translate. நாங்க translate பண்ணி சொல்றோம், he will answer for that.
Just unmute yourself.
அன்மியூட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ரைஸ் பண்ணலாம். இது நல்ல ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. You won't get it again. Please come up with your questions.
See, after any session, if you don't have any question, that means you got all the content in your head, and you are like the most intelligent people on this earth. So I think this is the only case with you people. You all are very intelligent. Any other question you want to ask? Like we have Shreya, you want to ask anything? Kavya is there, Shreya is there, Abdul is there.
Please raise up your hands, sir. நீங்க
Any-
question
any-
தமிழ்ல
any-
கேட்கலாம். Any questions you want. நீங்க chat கூட பண்ணலாம். You can chat on the window. We will answer for that.
You can chat also. If you don't want to ask, you can chat also. And I'll tell you, after this lockdown, your school will have to follow the parameters of social distancing. I suggest parents that don't rely much on any offline coaching institute, because it will not going to help you as far as security of the student is concerned. I don't personally suggest the offline coaching institute. I suggest you, this mobile application of Southern Quota, because it will give you all the necessary things for your education, for your school preparation also, and for your IIT and NEET sections also.
I
Yeah.
think we have a question from Shakti Swaroop, South.
Okay. Yeah, Shakti, ask.
Sir, I just wanted to know, I'm preparing for JEE Advanced, JEE Mains and Advanced. What is the minimum mark to get into a good IIT or NIT?
This is a very good question. So I'll tell you, Shakti, that in JEE you have almost 75 questions. Okay, and 75 questions, 25 questions from physics, 25 from chemistry, and 25 from mathematics. So in this examination, you at least need for 120, 130 marks just to clear your cutoff if you are into general category. And if you are in OBC category, then your marks for cutoff will be like 90 or 100. So I'll suggest you to get a good college. What you had asked to me, to get a good college in JEE, at least you have to score 250 plus marks in JEE examination. Then only you will get a good NIT, like NIT Jaipur, NIT Tirchi, NIT Warangal. These are some of the good NITs. And getting good marks in the JEE mains examination will give you a boost to get good marks in JEE advanced examination, because JEE main examination is not the actual goal. JEE advanced examination is the actual goal, and to get into an IIT like IIT Delhi, Bombay, Kanpur will be the sole target, I think, from students. You are from Chennai and we have IIT Madras with us. So you'll be happy to know that there are a lot of mentors who are toppers of IIT Madras are already associated with Southern Quota.
Yes,
there is
sir.
a team of ex-IITians, who are there to guide you how to get selected at IIT JEE and NEET. Next talk show will have with some of the alumnus of IIT Madras here on in this kind of webinar. Okay, so you have to target to score at least 250 marks in JEE exam to get a good college.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, we have another question in the chat. Is
Okay.
there any guarantee that I can crack NEET with the good marks if I join top colleges like MMC, if I study with Southern Quota?
So, Modi ji gave guarantee before this elections. Don't mind it and don't record this, that if I'll be in power, everything will going to be all right. Achhe din aane wale hain. So, you cannot say that Modi ji didn't try for it. He tried for it. He tried his best. And it depends on the candidates also. As far as my system is concerned, the Southern Quota system is concerned, for sure you will get selected in IIT JEE or NEET. So, what is selection in IIT JEE and NEET? It is about solving maximum question. If out of 180 you had solved 160, 150 question, for sure nobody will stop your selection. Even God cannot stop your selection. So, to solve these 160, 170 question out of 180, you need a good institute, you need an experienced faculty group who will provide you thousands of practice questions to get selected in IIT or NEET. So with Southern Quota, I can assure you that you will get very good questions, but your preparation, your practice, and your confidence and your dedication is also a point of matter. Let's say I'll give you a guarantee, and as a student, you will take daily 10 hours, 15 hours of sleep. That Southern Quota had already took my guarantee. I'll just take a good sleep daily for next 2 years, because you had taken the fees and you had taken the guarantee. So I'll get selected in NEET and IITJ. It's your responsibility. So I'll tell you, my dear friend, that it is your and my, it is a team responsibility of your parent, of your teacher, and of you to get selected in a good college like IIT or NEET. For sure you'll get selected if you'll practice with us for next 2 years.
Okay. Another question: how I can manage with the online classes after the school got reopened?
This is a fantastic question. So I'll tell you that after your school, see, school will give you a limited information about JEE and NEET. They will teach you just for boards. But do you think that getting good marks in boards will give you a good job? Will give you success in your life? No. So after opening your school, let's say you come at home at 4 o'clock. So you can just open our application at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, and you can get all the lectures on that application. So it will cover your school syllabus also and your competitive examination syllabus also, because you have 24 hours. Okay, and out of that 24 hours, 8 hours is for sleeping, 8 hours is for schooling. So another 8 hours you are left with. 8 hours for schooling, 8 hours for sleeping I am giving to you. So the next 8 hours you are left with. So that 8 hours, out of that 8 hours, I want you to study at least 5 hours, almost 2.5 hours on our mobile application for video lectures, and next 3 hours on your hard copy study material, what we are providing to you. Next question.
Sir.
Yes. Yes, Kavya. Ask your question. I'm listening to you.
I would like to ask a decision.
Okay.
I have completed my 10th exam.
Okay.
Which group would I like to join? I have two ideas, biology and computer science.
Okay.
I have to get into IIT or NIT.
Okay. So you are asking me that, sir, I am confused that what subject I will take, whether it is mathematics for IIT JEE or biology for medical. Am I right?
No, sir. I have to join NIT or IIT.
Okay. Then
Which
you
group?
need not to take biology. So I suggest one thing to all the parents: if you want to crack IIT JEE, if you want to be an engineer, then take physics, chemistry, and maths. Don't take biology in your subject, okay? Because it will be an additional burden on your shoulders. If I'll tell you that carry a 50 kg weight on your shoulder and run for 10 kilometers, okay? And if I'll tell you that carry 10 kilometers weight on your shoulder and run for 10 kilometers, who will win first? Who will win first? The one who had carried 10 kg weight on his shoulder. So biology is an additional weight. So dear students, Kavya, I want to suggest you that take physics, chemistry and maths, prepare for it, prepare from your home only, take the hard copy study material of Southern Quota, which is completely for you, for your preparation to get selected in IIT JEE and NEET, and get our mobile application downloaded on your phone. And third, stay away from distraction. Don't download any other application and don't watch any other lectures on YouTube or any other application.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Adding to that, we are not just providing the video lectures, we are also providing the live lectures from Quota, from Quota faculties.
Yes.
So whoever
you'll get the video lectures live from Quota and recorded video lectures also.
We have the live sections also. We have the live classes separately.
Will I get guides? Will I get guides for reference?
No, you just need to follow our study material, because that study material is prepared by the most experienced faculty. No other book is required. If you are preparing with Southern Quota, then we will take care of your board examinations as well as your competitive examination. That study material is far better than any other guide. So there is another question. How can you help to crack JEE while I'm now going to class 11? Okay. How can you help to crack JEE while I'm in class 11? If you are coming in class 11, then we'll give you the video lectures. First, the live classes from Quota. Second, the study material, hard copy study material from Quota. Fourth, you will get regular test. Fifth, you will get regular doubt session. So will help you. And then regular counseling sessions like this, what I organized today. Any other question? Anybody else want to ask?
Sir?
Yes, Shreya want to ask something. Yes, Shreya?
Whether it will be useful for other courses other than IET and JEE?
Like for commerce and arts?
No, for science, biomax.
Yes. For science, like for anything, if you want to do, if you want to give NDA exam, if you want to do research in future, if you want to give foreign examinations like a SAT, a Scholastic Aptitude Test, for sure this preparation will going to help you. Any student who want to prepare for physics, chemistry, maths and bio, Southern Quota is for you.
Just for an information, Shreya is already with Southern Quota. She is one of the student of Southern Quota.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Oh, nice.
That's the question from the day one. She's keep on repeating the same question. Right, Shreya?
Hello?
Okay. Yes, Sandhya, I think Satya.
This is Satya. Yes. I have a question. Like now, they are finishing 10th standard. Okay, they are moving to 11th standard.
Okay.
Which is they have to finish their they have to complete their board exams also, right?
Right.
And then with this they are going to complete this JEE, NEET, whatever you guys are there. You guys were telling me that also.
Right.
So if in this the students are getting so much of burden, and because of parents also, if they don't have parents, they don't know like how how students are going to suffer. But the thing
I understand how student will cope up with the stress.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I got your question, ma'am. So that's why I have told you that if a student is going to school, then he is going for a tuition, offline tuition or any coaching center. So it will be a burden for him. But if you have your teacher, if you have your guided teacher on your mobile phone, so what you can do is, let's say if you had studied a chapter known as gravitation in class 11, okay, in your school also, and with Southern Quota also. And if you want re-lecture of that teacher, Okay, if I'll say you G m1 m2 upon r square is the formula for gravitation in a live class, and if you will forget that formula when you come to your home. So that is a drawback of offline coaching. But if you didn't remember this after I taught you on live class, you will just start your mobile phone, just rewind the lecture, and you'll get the solution. I think with
Yes,
this
yes, we understand this, but most of the schools, what they are doing, no, in the school itself, they are started burdening the students, like you
with
have to
online
finish,
education.
not online, normal. I'm telling about regular. In the school itself, like they are that started burdening the students, like this you have to finish this by this day, you have to finish this by this day. So with this only they are getting burden. Okay, so they don't have time to take a mobile and download these apps and seeing what is going on, what is going on. So they don't have, with this also they are getting so much of burden.
Actually, I think it's because I had trained more than 2 lakh students, and we had taught many thousands of students. Yes, this is not a burden. It's like butter on bread. Okay, currently students are eating just bread. Okay, and this preparation is like butter to them. It will help them for their future. This is school projects, these school curriculum will not going to help to build their future or to get them selected in IIT or NEET. As far as the stress is concerned, this is a valid point you are raising. So for that only, we are providing them the hard copy study material, which contains all the theory chapters, all the exercises, objective type, MCQs, and based on board examination. So we want that student need not to come on mobile phone very frequently. We want him to get better education just by understanding the concept. So if a student is devoting 8 hours to the school and then 2 hours 3 hours to school homework, we just want 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours for his preparation for IIT JEE and NEET. And that time, as per our research, as far as our experience is concerned, yes, student get some extra work, but this work will help them to prepare for their examination. They will get good marks in their school also and their boards also.
Yes, okay, we understand, but still, previously these and all were not held, right? But why this and all nowadays this is happening?
This is the need of the hour, ma'am. Like earlier, I used to take offline seminars. Now I'm taking these online seminars. So I'll give you example. When I used to take offline seminar, I just take one seminar a day. And as far as my working is concerned, I'm very relaxed. But now with this technology, I'm used to taking these webinars. So it will add a value to my working. I can connect with thousands of students, and it has helped me to interact with more and more students. So I understand your point is valid, that student will get a little burden, but if they don't prepare for this IIT JEE and NEET in class 10th or 11th, they will be more burden in class 12 when they will going to appear for IIT JEE and NEET. That is my experience. So if you want to train them slowly. It's like you have heard the story of that rabbit. Rabbit believes to take rest, and he want to start late in a race. So I suggest that start your race early and get the benefit. If you take 2 year of course, you will get less burden, and if you will get 2 months of course, then you will have burden.
Gaurav, I will probably add some more points to Satya. Madam, I think you're comfortable with English and Tamil. I'll probably mix it and speak.
Yeah, I'm comfortable with Tamil also.
Okay. See, if the last 4 or 5 years, everybody is moving towards NEET. Admissions to medical colleges are primarily done through NEET exams, actually. So, if you take like a decade back, or maybe like 5-6 years back, hardly NEET score has never been there in Tamil Nadu, especially. Maybe it is there for quite a long time, but especially Tamil Nadu குள்ள கொண்டு வந்தது பாத்தீங்கன்னா like last 4 years முன்னாடி தான் வந்திருக்கு.
Yes, actually.
So இது வந்து what we are our thought process of starting this institute is also bringing to Chennai is whatever ஏன்னா நீங்க results பாத்தீங்கன்னா quota they are giving predominantly wonderful results in the last few years. I mean right from the beginning. So எங்களுக்கு என்னன்னா we Tamil Nadu students also they are really good. Only thing is they are not getting the right coaching actually. We need to give them the right kind of coaching, right mentorship and right study materials and right faculty. So on the concept and the thought process now we have in fact started the Southern Kota in Chennai. So that's why the name is itself is you see it is called Southern Kota. So ஏன்னா வந்து definitely இது வந்து அவர் கௌரவ் சொன்ன மாதிரி it is a need of a hour. ஏன்னா நீங்க டேட்டுக்கு வந்து நீட் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் நீங்க கிளியர் பண்ணணும்னா மெடிக்கல் சீட் வாங்க முடியாது. So engineering IIT JEE பாத்தீங்கன்னா maybe like ஒரு 5-6 years back வந்து probably people may not be knowing about ஒரு IIT குள்ள admission வாங்குறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு தெரியும் awareness இல்ல. இப்போ வந்து like people are starting getting some awareness actually. So NEET exam எழுதுனா JEE exam எழுதுனா எங்க போலாம் அப்படின்றது ஒரு awareness இருக்கிறதுனால I think all these things are coming into picture now. So I think that is the one main reason.
Yes, okay, because of increasing more institutions like you guys, like it increases more competition, right? Actually.
Okay.
No, it என்னன்னா அவங்க வந்து ஆல்ரெடி அவங்க போர்டு எக்ஸாம்லயே வந்து என்ன வேணுமோ அவங்களுக்கு 12th அவங்க மெடிக்கலா ஆக்சுவலா பயாலஜி படிக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணுமோ அதெல்லாம் படிச்சு அவங்க அதெல்லாம் கிளியர் பண்ணிட்டு தான் அவங்க வெளியே வராங்க இல்லையா? So they are completed. அப்படிதானே?
இல்ல மேடம். See for
example. So they are not. So you are telling not eligible. So previously these NEET were not there. Okay. So those doctors are not doctors.
இல்ல see that is a
they
problem.
Haven't studied MBBS.
இல்ல I think நீங்க I think you are going out of the topic. So இப்போ என்ன சொல்ல வரோம்னா it is not that இது வந்து it is something it is governed by the government. So whoever joined earlier medical colleges join பண்ணவங்க எல்லாமே they're all well knowledge தான். But இப்போ நம்ம சிஸ்டமே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, right? So system has been changed that you need to clear NEET exams to get into a medical colleges.
No, so I'll give you an answer on that because ma'am earlier state used to conduct these medical examination and there are some scams. I'll give you example. You can search it on internet. Vyapam is a scam in Madhya Pradesh. So they organize state level examination and they used to give selected seats to those who pay fees or who pay donations. So somebody had filed a application in Supreme Court that for medical and engineering also, engineering case is pending in Supreme Court, that one nation, one examination for medical and engineering. So that's why government had implemented this NEET examination policy. Many state government had applied. They fought the case in Supreme Court and they lost the case. So that's why this NEET examination had came. And earlier who had given the state level examination, that is also good. But yes, I'll suggest you one thing, that if you want to run a marathon, if you want to just understand my example.
No. The thing is, I'm fine with NEET. I'm fine with NEET. The thing is, I'm telling, increasing of more institutions. I'm telling, because of increasing more institutions, you are giving different coachings, right? It will be difficult for them. So
no, there. Let's say, ma'am, if you will go to YouTube after this corona, you will find 1 lakh lectures of biology or physics. So what I'm telling you, to get a guided preparation, from a experienced player, that is the more important thing. Like if a boy is playing cricket in his gully, he will not going to be a Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, every boy is playing cricket in his gully, but he will not going to become a Sachin Tendulkar. He will become a Sachin Tendulkar if he get a coach like Achrekar, who had trained Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. So what we are providing is, we are providing good coaches to you who had got experience in their life, who had trained thousands of IITians and NITians and NEET aspirants in their life. And as far as burden I'm talking you, if I have to run a marathon of 20 kilometers, okay, let's say I'm a student and with me Anurag. Anurag is also going to, run in that marathon. And if I'll not take any burden, I'm not going to practice daily. If I'll just sit at my home eating daily and not going for a walk or run. And Anurag is daily practicing. He's taking some pain. He's taking some burden. So for sure, who will win the marathon? I think, ma'am, Anurag will win. Similarly, a little bit challenge we need to, take in our life. Will you agree with my point, Anurag? You will going to win if you practice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, I have run marathons, sir. Many marathons I have.
that's why because I am a counselor also, I already, identify with your face only. That's why I took your example only.
Okay, thank you for. Okay, thank you.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Can I ask, sir?
Yes.
Sir, for example, I have got good marks in J exam, sir.
In
So,
J exam.
Sir, for example only, sir. So, with this marks. Sir,
Not for example, for sure you will
No,
get
sir.
good.
Just now only I have completed 10th, sir. That's why I'm telling, sir.
No. After completing 10th, when you will be in class 12, you will get good marks. Have that belief system in your brain. For sure you will get.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
ask your question.
Okay, sir. I have got good marks in J exam, sir. So by this, I will be get selected into IIT and NIT, no, sir?
Yes.
So with this JE marks, apart from IIT and NIT, can I able to get admission in the colleges with the help of this JE marks?
Yes. So now, JE examination, JE examination is also compulsory, and in Supreme Court case is already pending for one nation, one examination in engineering field also. So after 1 or 2 years in your state government colleges also, you will get admission through JE examination only. And I'll tell you, every state government college has a quota, has a special reservation for JE aspirants. So if you get good marks in JE, then you will already get a reserved seat in government engineering colleges or government medical colleges. For like in medical, NEET is the only option to get the seat. But in engineering, with JE examination, you get seat in government colleges or colleges like BITS Pilani, IISc Bangalore, IISc Hyderabad, or BITS Goa. Okay, like VIT is a popular institute. So they give you direct admission on basis of your JE score. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else want to ask any question?
Yeah, we have another question. So one of the student is moving to 12th. I have not started my NEET coaching yet. Will it be easy for me to crack it if I start now?
Yes, it will be. It will not be easy for you, but it is possible for you, because in NEET examination, 60% of the syllabus of NEET is from class 12. 40% syllabus is from class 11. So if you cover 100% syllabus of class 12, then you will easily going to get crack NEET examination. I mean, you will get good marks. So if you prepare class 12th at very good level also. Yeah. Anybody else? I think we have wonderful session till now, because I'm taking sessions in different states and different cities. This session I feel very energetic and very interacting also. So your questions are very good, and I think I had answered all the questions regarding your selections in NEET and JEE, the quality of education Southern Kota is providing you for your selections. So any other question if you want to ask, you can ask. Then Bhaskar sir will tell you something.
Yeah, thank you.
When will you, sir?
Yes.
Yes, Rajesh want to ask something, right?
Yes, sir. When will you start the session, sir?
15 June.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anybody has any other question related to stress, or in last session, one girl told me that I'm fed up with my mother and father. They used to, push me for different home works like, cooking work and like other home activities. So I know for students, this will be a challenge. If you are staying with your parents and your parents are giving you some home activities, so take it as a challenge. Do some home activities also. Support your mother also. It will help you. Yeah. Any other question?
We have our SCAT 1 topper, Ponji Jnanabharati. You have any other questions? Ponji, you have any other questions?
Still, most of the camera are off. I
No,
think
sir.
you want to be in dark. You don't want to come into light. But okay, that's good. Oh,
Yes,
you all are like celebrity. And I think because there is corona, so with this you are not sharing your screen because you have to carry a mask. You don't want to come in front of anyone. Okay, yeah, ask.
So I think
Yes.
we've exceeded the hour. Maybe.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Hello?
Please ask your question.
Can I know the experience of Southern Kota?
I already told this answer to Anurag that we have the experienced most team of Kota, which is behind this Southern Kota venture, who had already taught more than 20,000 IIT JEE and NEET aspirants in past 20 years in Kota, with numerous number of toppers. Okay, including the 2015 All India Rank 1 Mr. Satwa Jagwani of JEE and lot more toppers. So we are having the most experienced team from Kota. Anybody else?
Okay.
I think we are done with question answer round, sir. Bhaskar sir, you can tell them how they can enroll with us, how they can start their class with us. One thing I want to tell you that after taking demo lectures, just dedicate 2 to 3 hours to these live lectures, okay? And be focused towards your preparation. Don't watch any other lecture than your mobile application. Then you will get a good experience. We'll have good demo lectures for you with our application for some. Yes, Bhaskar sir, you can continue, or if you have any question, you can write in chat box. And somebody told me, superb speech, sir, you can proceed further. Thank you. And it's not my speech, it is your dedication which helped me to deliver my best to you people. And for sure, I'll promise in future also will help you. And your success is my success, especially. I want young doctors and young technocrat software engineers after 4 to 5 years, and then you will give me a credit, sir, after your session our life got some transformation. So that will be a real success for me. Yeah, thank you. And I'll say one thing, because I cannot write. You all are very superb, you all are very sharp, and you all are very intellectual and very patient students. Thank you. If you want to ask more question, you can just raise your reaction, and then Bhaskar sir will continue.
Good. Okay. Thank you, Gaurav sir. Actually, if you have more doubts, we ask the counselors in Southern Kota. Please give us a call. I have shared the number in chat. Okay, please give us a call. We are here to help you on any of your doubts and subject related thing. Okay, I'll over to Bhaskar sir. I'll share the details of the online classes and everything.
Okay, thanks, Venkat. Thank you, Gaurav.
Thank you.
So good evening, dear students. So as Gaurav mentioned, so our batch is starting on 15th of June, so which is basically another 2 more weeks. So as part of the offerings, we are providing a couple of different set of deliverables. Like one is we are providing a live interactive classes. It's not something a one-way recording, or it's kind of a more of a live interactive classes like we are doing on Zoom. So that's going to start from 15th of June. And also we also have mobile application, what you see on the screen, that's called Southern Kota mobile app, that you can download it from the Play Store. And so there you can see some of the lectures of our Kota faculties. You can enroll it even today and get a feel of the lectures. I think that's more of a, right now we are in a demo phase right now. And also as part of this online courses, we are going to give you guys printed study materials. And as part of this offerings, there is a, I know we will give the printed books along with some quick notes, right? I mean, some of the ebooks or notes that we say, that is also you will get it. So apart from this, I think you will have a lot of other mentoring sessions from our Kota experts like Gaurav, and you will get access to all the DPPs, like we call it as a DPPs, the daily practice problem sheets. Those are all, you'll get it from Kota. So I think these are all going to be a wonderful material for your examination preparation. So apart from this, I know some of the unique thing, like where we have, we also provide you guys an overall personality developments, in the sense we wanted to teach you like moral education and some of the personality development like communication skills and other aspects also as part of our offerings. So if you really wanted to kind of get started, you can download the app. It's available on Play Store, and you can get a 2 weeks of free demo. You download and you can take a look at the recorded videos available. Venkat, can you go to the next slide, please?
Sir, I have one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next
Sir,
slide.
I have one doubt, sir. Can I ask?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, in Southern Kota, in JEE exam, what is the highest mark, sir?
In Southern Kota, so I told you that in 2015 we had given All India rank 1. His brother is also Prakhar Jagwani, the chief mentor, Mr. Kapil Gupta, had taught him. So that is the highest benchmark we had established, because out of 10 lakh, 12 lakh student, if you give rank 1, so that is the most challenging job. And there are numerous toppers, like last year we had given 500 rank, 200 rank, also rank under thousands. There are a lot of students.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gaurav. So, so if you really look at it, I think this particular slide gives you a summary of our offerings. So we have like 4 different type of delivery modes that we have. So I think we have also given a pricing of all these. I think the Flexi Silver is more of only video lectures, and you will get access to your test, as well as you will get printed books. And if you want to sign up for a Flexi Gold, that you will get some doubt clearing class sessions getting answered in interactive mode. So that's an additional that you get it on a Flexi Gold. And live classes is basically, it's a live interactive classes, which is what starting on 15th of June. And the combo is something that it's a combination of both live video lectures as well as recorded video lectures. So you get everything in a single bundle. And with the current offering that we have right now, with the batches are starting on 15th of June. So we have just rolled out an offer. If students wants to join for a live classes, we will do a free upgrade to a combo pack. So which means they will get access to the recorded lectures, along with they'll get access to the live classes. So it's a you basically get a discount of close to 13,000 rupees if you sign up for this live classes by 1st of June. So that's the an offer that we have it at this point of time. This is for NEET and whoever the aspirants who wants to do for NEET and AIMS and JIPMER. So this is the offer. The next slide, Venkat. And this particular free upgrade offer is only till for the enrollment that is getting happen before 5th of June. Okay, because the batches are starting on 15th of June. So we wanted to kind of close this admissions and then move on. Okay, and this is for the similar options available for our IIT JEE main and advanced examinations. So you still have similar like 4 different options, and you will see the prices for a live classes is 45,000, and if you sign up for this 45,000, you will still get we are doing a free upgrade to a combo pack. So you will get access to both live classes as well as for a recorded video lectures along with printed books, notes, and live dev resolution, everything. So maybe if you guys have any further doubts on these various packages that we have, and any specific doubts about our offerings, and also the whatever the payment schedule, I mean the payment mentioned here, it's not a one-time payment. You always have an option to pay in installments also. So you can, the best you can do is you guys can just reach out to our counselors. The numbers are marked on the chat, or it's available at the bottom of the screen. So you can talk to them, and they'll give you the best possible offers based on your aspirations. Okay. So I think with that we could pretty much sign off for the day.
Yes.
Yeah. So any other questions, guys? You can send out your questions to that numbers that is posted on the chat. So we, as part of Southern Kota, we wish all the students a bright future. Stay safe, stay home. Have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thank you all of you. Stay safe, stay home, and study at home, and get success in your life. I just want to add that study at home. And to parents, I request that watch your student regularly, track them regularly, and we will be with you for sure for their success every time. Okay. So thank you all of you. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for your support, and thanks for your positive gesture for this webinar. I think this is one of the most successful webinars we used to take. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks everyone.
Sir, can I get biology when I choose JEE demo class? Sir, can I get biology? No. For JEE, you have to choose mathematics. Okay, don't choose biology. If you want to be a doctor, choose this biology class. If you want to be an engineer, choose JEE class. And you know, there is a saying that if you want to cross a river, then you can't stand in 2 boats. If you stand on 2 boats to cross a river, you will sink. So similarly, in your career, if you want to get success, try to sit in JEE river, JEE boat, or in NEET boat, not in both the boats. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and if you have any question, if you want to have personal counseling sessions also, then you can talk to our counselors, take my appointment. Personally also, I can take your Zoom meetings. Okay, thank you all of you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you all.